Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day in the garden. Here I am in my mid-Missouri garden in the middle of August, and wow, my raised bed garden is bursting with life. And I wanted to share with you my approach to gardening in raised beds and the way that I love to mix it up. I plant densely veg, herbs, and flowers, and there's some really important benefits to all of your beautiful crops when you try this approach. So I'm going to share with you some pictures and see if we can play a little game of I Spy in these different beds. You should be able to spy some herbs, some flowers, and some veggies. The top 3 reasons why I plant flowers, herbs, and veggies together is the flowers and the herbs repel bad insects that want to destroy my veggies, and they bring in lots of different pollinators, all of those things. And I use, of course, lots of the flowers and the herbs in floral arrangements and in cooking. So let's take a look at this. So I've got my red bell peppers, I've got French marigolds, and it has to be the French style of marigolds to repel the bad insects. So any old marigolds won't do, so you want to look at trying to source French style marigolds. Here's some tomatoes, some sun gold cherries with, again, more of those French marigolds, and a bunch of different types of basil. In fact, I think I grow probably 6 different varieties of basil all throughout the garden. All right, here's a close-up. This is a little bit better. You'll see some basil there with the purple flowers on top. You'll see the French marigolds and my Cherokee purple tomatoes all nestled in together. I'm happy to report I have not had any pest damage. And here we are towards the end of summer. We're mid-August. Now that doesn't mean I won't have maybe some tomato hornworms that'll come in, but so far so good. Here's some cucumber, again, French marigolds, and you'll see on the left some Italian flatleaf parsley, which is a great host plant for swallowtail butterfly caterpillars. Such a great plan. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little short to demonstrate how all kinds of things should be growing in your veggie garden.